हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल लेबर लॉ एंड कंप्लाइंसेस में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट ने आज 20 नवंबर 2021 को एक प्रेस रिलीज निकाला जिसमें 229th मीटिंग सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी का था और जो अपेक्स डिसीजन मेकिंग बॉडी है ईपीएफओ का, इसके की डिसीजन इसमें लिए गए। आइए देखते हैं क्या क्या की डिसीजन लिए गए इसके अंदर। सबसे फर्स्ट, सजेशन ऑफ द चेयरमैन टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट 4 सब कमेटी, 4 सब कमेटी गठन करने की बात कही गई है, सजेशन दिया गया है। कंप्राइजिंग मेंबर ऑफ द बोर्ड फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉयज़ की तरफ से होंगे, एम्प्लॉयर साइड से होंगे और इसके साथ साथ जो गवर्नमेंट साइड से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होंगे। वाज वेलकम एंड अप्रूव्ड बाय द बोर्ड। 2 committee on the establishment related matter and futuristic implementation of the social security code जो आने वाला है उसके लिए उन्होंने कहा है will be headed by the minister of the state labor and employment. Remaining 2 committee of the on digital capacity building and pension related issue will be headed by the union labor and employment secretary. Draft 68 annual report on the functioning of the EPFO for the financial year 2020-21 was approved in this meeting also, with the recommendation to place it before the parliament through central government. Next, approval was accorded for the development of the centralized IT enable system by CDAC. Post this, the field functionalities will move on a central database in a phased manner, enabling a smoother operation and enhanced service delivery. The centralized system will facilitate deduplication and merger of all PF accounts of any member. It will remove the requirement of transfer of account on change of job. तो सेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम जो है हम सीडा, इसके अंदर फैसिलिटी है डी डुप्लीकेशन एंड मर्जर ऑफ ऑल पीएफ अकाउंट ऑफ एनी मेंबर. इट विल आल्सो रिमूव रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ अकाउंट ऑन चेंज ऑफ जॉब. Board decided to empower the Finance, Investment and Audit Committee to decide upon the investment option on a case-to-case basis for investment in all such asset classes which are included in the pattern of investment as notified by Government of India. During the meeting, Chairman CVT released a booklet also titled Response to COVID-2. The booklet is efforts to recapitulate the preparedness of EPFO to innovate and deliver uninterrupted service to its stakeholders during the difficult time of COVID-19 pandemic. The booklet is second in the series. First version was released on 228 CVT meeting held on March 2021 at Srinagar. Chairman CVT released another booklet titled Nirvad, Seamless Service Delivery. This booklet is a compilation of initiative taken and strategies adopted by EPFO towards successful digital transformation from EPFO to EPFO. That is electronically or everything over the last 3 years. These efforts have been enabled EPFO to move towards digitally interacting paperless organization, thereby enhancing ease of living for all its stakeholders. In the meeting, representatives from the employees and senior officers of the central government, state government and EPFO were also present. Thank you for watching this update.